to where the lower limit is 0, upper limit is 4. So you may take here like 0 to 4. So when you take integral, the limits are 0 to 4. 0 to 4. When you take the x limits on, okay, limits on x-axis, you should take the form as y dx. Or else you may find the area of A1 with help of y limits also. So what are the y limits? 0 to 3. You may take 0 to 3. When you take 0 to 3, x into dy. Y into dx, when you take dx nothing but it will represent that. So the area depending on x limits. Dy means you have to take y limits. Okay, in both the cases we'll get the same answer. Okay, can anyone tell that what is the answer here? Answer, if it is an objective question, answer is directly pi a b. Pi into a. A means what is the length of the semi-major axis? Here from origin to here, 4. What is the b? Length of the semi-minor axis, 3. So this is 12 pi. So answer we can say directly, the area of the ellipse is total area is 12 pi. Pi AB is total area. In the same way for the next question also, we can say directly the answer is pi AB. What is A value? A square. A square value is 4, A is equal to 2. B square is equal to 9, B is equal to 3. So here pi into 2 into 3, that is 6 pi is the total area of the question number 5. But in NCERT we cannot do directly, so even formula also derived with the help of this integration alone, right? Okay, so what is y? We know that the equation x square by 16, y square by 9 is equal to 1. With help of that, let us take this as 1. So we have the given ellipse equation is x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. From this, you can find the y value. So y square by 9 is equal to 1 minus x square by 16. So 16 is LCM, so 16 minus x square. So y square is equal to 9, you can cross multiply. So 9 into 16 minus x square by 16. So from this y value, y is equal to square root of 9 by 16 into 16 minus x square. That is nothing but 3 by 4 times of root over 16 minus x square. This is y value. This y value can substitute in equation 1. Okay, what I'm doing, students, first I'm finding the area of A1. After that, the total area is given by 4 times of A1. So A1, to find A1 area, I'm using x limits 0 to 4. You may use y limits also, right? Now, substitute this y value in equation 1. A1 is now A1 is equal to, limits are from where to where, 0 to 4. Y, what is y here? 3 by 4 root over 16 minus x square into dx. Got it? Okay, the y value I replaced here. Then 3 by 4 is a constant. You can take it outside. 3 by 4. Limits are 0 to 4. Then see here 16 can be written as 4 square minus x square into dx. Yeah, already we studied this formula. Indefinite integration, last exercise. Sorry, in indefinite integration. So this is in the form of, since we know that the formula for root over, this is in the form of a square minus x square into dx. What is the formula, students? X by 2 root over a square minus x square, okay, plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. Got it? This is the formula. So here a value, what is a value here? 4. Okay, right, replace here. So a1 is equal to 3 by 4 times of x by 2, as it is root over 4 square minus x square plus a square. What is a value? 4 square by 2 sine inverse x by a. A value is 4. Got it? From where to where limits? 0 to 4. 0 to 4. I'm going to substitute the upper limit 3 by 4 times of for upper limit f4. When you substitute 4 here, 4 by 2 root over 4 square minus 4 square, 0. Plus 4 square means 16. 16 by 2 is 8. Sine inverse of 4 by 4. This. Yeah, now I applied upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is 0 by 2 root over 4 square minus 0 square plus 8 sine inverse 0. Got it? Sine inverse 0 by 4 is 0. So this is 3 by 4 times of this is 0 plus 8 times of sine inverse. 4 get cancelled. Sine inverse 1. What is the sine inverse 1 value? Shall I write pi by 2? What is the sine inverse 1? Pi by 2. This is up to upper limit minus lower limit 0 plus 8 times of 0. 0 by 2 is 0. So then remaining terms becomes 0 here. 0 into anything 0. Sine inverse 0 is 0. So overall for lower limit both the values become 0. So finally here A1 is equal to 3 by 4, that is 24 by 4 into pi by 2. Nothing but when you cancel this, 8 3s are. So A1 is equal to 3 pi. A1 value is 3 pi, but the total area is given by A1 is, we got 3 pi. This is also second, like the area of A2 also 3 pi. All are having equal areas. So what is total area? 3 pi plus 3 pi. So 12 pi. Finally, therefore the total area,
Sir, you can start it up, sir.
you have to write like region bounded by x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1 is capital A is equal to 4 times of A1. So what is capital A? Capital A is the required total area 4 times of 3 pi, that is equal to 12 pi. Yeah, look at your students. Yeah. See, this is the ellipse equation I have given clearly here. A square is greater than B square. Okay, 16 is greater than 9. So that the major axis, x-axis, you can draw the graph of the ellipse. Okay, after that I found the intersection points on the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so first I'm going to find area of the region in first quadrant. Then after I want to multiply with 4. So area of the first quadrant, I'm going to take x limits like 0 to 4. Then y dx, 0 to 4, y dx. So from the given equation, I found y value here. I replace y value 3 by 4 root over 16 minus x square. I replaced here. So this is in the form of like root over a square minus x square standard formula x by 2. I applied the formula and I substituted a value is clearly 4. I substituted a value and after that I substituted upper limit and lower limit and simplify. We got the correct answer, that is 12 pi. 3 pi is area of the region in first quadrant. The total area is 4 times of this. Having any doubts, students? Clear, I think. Am I right? Next question. Next question you can do. The area is 6 pi. Next we'll do that question number 6. Question number 6 is find the area of the region in first quadrant. Clearly they have mentioned first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, line x is equal to √3 into y and the circle. Okay, enclosed by the x-axis and the line and the circle. Easy question. First write the given data. Okay, what is the given data? What is the equation of circle? 6. X square plus y square is equal to 4. X square plus y square is equal to 4, 5. The equation of line is y is equal to √3 into, sorry, x is equal to √3 into y. Okay, and with x-axis. First, I am going to draw the circle equation. So, take the circle. Yeah. Let us take this as the circle. Got it? Okay. This circle, they have given line. Line equation is which implies y is equal to s twins. Y value is which implies y is equal to 1 by √3 into x. It is in the form of, you no need to compare here. Actually, when you comparing here, y is equal to mx plus c. M value is 1 by √3. What is m value? M value is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by √3. What is the theta value then? Theta value is 5 by 6. Okay, with 30 degrees angle, you have to take the line. This is a line equation. Line equation, I am going to take the line equation with an angle 30 degrees with positive direction of x-axis. Okay, you can consider this is the line, given line, 30 degrees, right? No need to mention here 30 degrees that and all. Okay, simply you can draw the line also. So the line equation is like x is equal to √3y. See, we have to find the area here. We have to find this area. Okay, we have to find this area. Got it, students? To find this area, we'll do one thing. What are the limits we have to take here? If we take here, okay, the center of the, what is the center here? Center is clearly 0, 0, 5. What is the radius of the circle? 2. Nothing but shall I write here on x-axis 2, 0? We'll write 2, 0. Radius will be 2, 0. Okay, so here radius will be 2, so 2, 0. When you take the like a1 like a integral 0 to 2, when you take integral 0 to 2 y dx, if you use this formula, generally the formula is here x limit is 0, here x limit is 2, x value is 2, 0 to 2 you may take. When you take 0 to 2, you will get total area in first quadrant. Entire area you are going to get. Okay, this area, total area you may get here. But we don't want this total area in first quadrant. Just we have to, we require the area between line and circle, this area alone. How can you find the area? It's simple, students. Okay, just you can draw the perpendicular line here. You can draw the perpendicular. You can draw the perpendicular at the point of intersection of both. Okay, see here. First, what is the point of intersection of this point? Point of intersection. So clearly, clearly this is a right angle triangle, right angle at certain point. Okay, let us take this is O, this is A, this is B, and this is the point 2 comma 0 as some C, the point is C. We want to the area of A means capital A means area of OBC. Area of OBC we require to find. For that, area of OBC can be written as OAB plus BAC. Okay, we require to find OBC, the required area is area of OBC. This area of OBC can be written as area of OAB plus area of BAC. Can I write like this? Is it clear, students? We can write like this. So we cannot find directly area, so that we can find this area. Otherwise, let us take this is A1. This area is A2. So required, this is A1, this is A2. Then the required area I am taking as capital A. Got it? How can you find A1? A1 is a right angle triangle. When you know the base and height, we can easily off into base into height. But what is the base and what is the height? Do you know that? To find base into height, we have to find the point B. Point B, where is point B? Point B is the point of intersection of circle as well as line. So you have to solve circle as well as given line, you'll get the common point of intersection. So here, circle equation x square plus y square is, let us take this is equation 1. 4 and given line is x is equal to root 3 y squaring on both sides, x square is equal to 3y square. In place of x square, substitute 3y square, or else we want to x limit, so that which implies y square is equal to x square by 3. Okay, replace here. X square plus x square by 3 is equal to 4. So which implies 4x square. Yes or no? 3 plus 1. When I take LCM 3, so 4x square is equal to 4, which implies x square is equal to 3. What are the x values, Amma? Which implies x is equal to plus or minus root 3. Got it? So this is about x values. Plus or minus root 3. Nothing but the circle and line are intersecting at two different points. One is here root 3. Root 3 here in first quadrant, minus root 3 in third quadrant. We don't want the area in third quadrant. So just to find the point of intersection on first quadrant. When x is equal to root 3, then what is the y value, Amma? Yes, what is y value? Yeah, substitute x is equal to root 3 here. X is equal to root 3. So y square is equal to root 3 the whole square by 3. So y square is equal to 1. Y is equal to plus or minus 1. So nothing but here the point of intersection of y is 1. Root 3 comma 1. Here minus root 3 comma minus 1. So these are the point of intersection. Okay, see here, when I take here, what is the length of anyone? Then what is the length? Here, from O to A, x coordinate, O to A. What is O to A? Students, shall I take it is root 3? Root 3, am I right? So this is clearly root 3. Then what about height? Height is 1. So base is root 3, height is 1. Clear? Okay, so base is root 3, height is 1. So with help of that, so area of A1 I am taking, A1 is equal to area of triangle OAB. OAB is a right angle triangle half into base. Base is root 3, height is 1. So root 3 by 2. So A1 value is root 3 by 2. A1 value is, we got it here, root 3 by 2. Okay, ma? So this is about A1. A1. So from OAB. Then how can you find ABC? ABC. So here ABC, which is related to only circle. Is it related to any line? Okay, students. What I'm telling here. What about this ABC area? ABC, which is related to only circle and x-axis. What is the point A? Anyone? Point A.
Root 3, 0.
Yeah, root 3 comma 0. Then what is the point C? 2 comma 0. Then shall I take, to find this area, shall I take the roots, x roots are root 3 to 2? Yes, we can take. So now the area of A2 is given by integral root 3 to 2 y dx. Y dx. So here, what is y value? Then x square plus y square is equal to, that is related to only circle. From the circle alone, you have to find y value, not from the line. Okay, from the line, you know, y is equal to x by root 3, not like that. Okay, so the area clearly A2 is belongs to only circle. From the circle only, you have to find y value, that is 4 y square is equal to 4 minus x square. Y is equal to root over 4 minus x square. So this y value you can substitute here, root 3 to 2, yeah, root over 4 minus x square into dx. Okay, then simplify this, you'll get the A2. Same like this 4 can be written as 2 square. Can I write 4 can be 2 square? A square minus x square. Just like previous sum. In previous sum, what is the formula now? X by 2. I'm writing directly here. X by 2 root over 2 square minus x square plus a square by 2, that is 2 square by 2 sine inverse of x by 2. From where to where? Root 3 to 2. Okay, students, you can simplify this, you will get the answer. When I substitute, okay, I'll substitute here. So upper limit 2 by 2, so 2 square minus 2 square, this is 0. Plus 2 square means 4 by 2 means this is 2. Sine inverse of 2 by 2, got it. Minus lower limit. So when I substitute root 3 by 2, root over 2 square minus root 3 the whole square plus 2 times of sine inverse of root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. This is lower limit. 2 by 2, this is clearly 0. So 0, then what about this? 2 sine inverse 1, 2 into pi by 2. Sine inverse 1 pi by 2. Then minus of bracket here root 3 by 2. Yeah, what about root 2 square? 4. 4 minus 3, that is 1. Plus 2 into sine inverse root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is 60. That is pi by 3. Now you can simplify this, you will get the answer. Okay, 2 into pi by 3. This is 180 minus 120, 60. Yes or no? 180 minus 2 into pi by 3, 120, 160 means pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2 is the answer. Even you may take LCM. So 2 pi minus 3 root 3 by 6. Got it? This is the answer. Having any doubts? Once again, they have given a circle and a line. We need to find the area between circle and line. Okay, this is the required area. For that, we cannot take 0 to 2 directly. If you take 0 to 2, you'll get whole area in first quadrant. Okay, so that I draw a vertical line. So we got a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle area is half into base into height. So to get to base and height, we can solve both the equation. I solved circle and given line. We got the point, that is root 3 comma 1 and minus root 3 comma minus 1. So we can, they are asking area in first quadrant alone. So base is root 3, height is 1. So half into base into height. We got root 3 by 2, that is area of A1. Area of A2 is given by root 3 to 2 because the area is belongs to only circle. Okay, not depending on the line. So y dx, this is the general formula. So y value I got from the given circle. With help of given circle only you have to find y. Y value get substitute and simplify, you get the answer. That's it. Next step. Find the area of a smaller part of the circle cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. Again, this is related to circle. I'll explain you just so you can do the simplification. Cut up by the line x is equal to a by root 2. See, fine.
So can you scroll up, sir?
See, student, today also we having special class today and tomorrow alone, right? Today I'll be finished definite integration. Okay. Tomorrow I'll start applications of integral. Got it?
Sir,
Yes?
sir, we should find A1 plus A2 like the previous question.
Do you want explanation?
No, sir, we should find A1 plus A2, no, sir.
Oh, sorry. This is 8-1, correct. So therefore, the total, the required area is A is equal to A1 plus A2. Good. Absolutely right. Same way we got A1 and A2 separately. Finally, the required area is adding both the areas, A1 plus A2. And simplify. Fine. Next question. So in the next question, again they have given circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. See here, this question I am giving as homework. Okay. Right. This is the given circle. And there is a line x is equal to a by root 2. So there is a line x is equal to a by 2. Okay, the circle is cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. See, the circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to a square. What is the radius? Center is clearly 0, 0. Radius will be a. Radius will be a. So that the point on the x-axis is a, 0. Fine. There is a line x is equal to a by root 2. Okay, the circle cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. So you should take the line in here. Okay, I may take here. Okay, students. Yeah, this is a line. The line equation is here x is equal to a by root 2. So x-axis x dash, y-axis y dash. So we require to find the area. What is the area we need to find here, students? What is the area? Here we are having two parts. One is major part and one is minor. They are asking about here kind of smaller part. Okay, smaller. What is the smaller part? It divided into two parts. This is smaller one, this bigger one. So what we require to find P1. Okay, otherwise you can take this is A1 and this is smaller part is A1, this is A2. So what is the area we require to find, A1 or A2? Yes? Friends, anyone? The area we require to find this area, smaller part. Got it? This A1 value we need to find. Smaller area. So then
I
here,
have a small doubt.
yeah,
How can we take that point as a comma 0?
yeah, A comma 0. Wonderful point. Yeah, what is the radius of the circle?
A.
A. Then what is the length then? A.
Oh, okay.
Then A comma 0. Got it? Even the point on y-axis is 0 comma A. This is minus A comma 0 because the radius is A, 0 comma minus A. So with respect to x-axis, you may find the area. Okay, so with respect to x-axis alone, we'll find the area here because what about the point among your point of intersection? What is this point, anyone? This point. Is clearly A by, exactly A by root 2 comma 0, so that the required area A1 is equal to A by root 2 x value to A. F, okay, y dx, that's it, y dx. This value you can find, this is the required area. But okay, when you take the roots A by root 2 to A, what is the area you are going to get? Are you going to get that area which is belongs to first quadrant and fourth quadrant, both areas, or only area in first quadrant? Yes, students, when I take the limits from A by root 2 to A, what is the area you are going to get with help of this integral?
Both first and fourth quadrant.
No. So only first quadrant, then the total area is given by multiply with 2. A1 is area of smaller part, so that A1 is equal to 2 times of A by root 2 A y dx. Clear, students? We should not get total area, we'll get only area in first quadrant. So first quadrant and fourth quadrant, the area is equal, so that you can multiply with 2 times. Got it? This value you can find. This we can do it. Question number 8. So I plan to complete this exercise, but due to the disturbance, okay. Next, the area between x is equal to y square and x is equal to 4 divided into 2 equal parts by the line x is equal to a. Find the value of now. So x is equal to y square means this is the parabola, and x is equal to 4 is a line. So both parabola and line divided into 2 equal parts by the line x is equal to a. Okay. Have you got idea about this? Here the given parabola y square is equal to x, which is belongs to x-axis. Once again, I can explain you this. You can try this question, students. I'll explain you with help of graph. Yeah. Fine. You can draw the parabola. Let us consider there is a parabola like this. So this is the parabola. Y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x. Okay, x is equal to y square. X is equal to 4. I'm going to take the line equation. X is equal to 4. Got it? Okay. This is the line. X is equal to 4. The point becomes here 4 comma 0. And there is a line. X is equal to a. X is equal to a. This line can divide the parabola and the line into 2 equal parts. Yeah, this line, I'm taking this line is x is equal to a. Yeah, this is x is equal to 4, the line equation, this x is equal to a. The point on x-axis is clearly a comma 0. So what they have given, here there are two regions are there, okay, two areas. This is one of the area. Let us take A1. This area is A1. There is another area, okay. This area is 2. Okay, this is A2. So clearly here A1 is equal to A2, given condition. The area of the curve y square is equal to x, and x is equal to 4 can be divided into two equal areas by the line x is equal to a. Then what is the value of a? Okay, with help of this we have to find. So here how can you find a1 is equal to a to find? Both the areas are equal. How can you find a1? A1 from where to where? Limits 0 to a y dx. A2, how can you find A2? A2 4 on x-axis, A2 4 y dx. Both you can find A1 and A2. You have to equate both the areas. You will get A value. What is y value here? Y value from the both.
Sir, you want to multiply by 2 now, sir.
Okay. 2 to get cancelled, no? Here you have to
Yes.
multiply with 2. Here you have to multiply with 2. When you equating these two, 2 to get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Correct only. Okay, 2 to get cancelled. So you have to find both the values, so then you will get the answer. Find A1 and A2. So one more class is